Okay, one last thing, and then I will stop annoying you with spreadsheets. I forgot to mention this last night, and I woke up at like 3 o'clock this morning and was like, I didn't do this in the video. So I will show you um, how I do my in-home Excel files. Now they're all in the same tabs on my, here, I'll show you. They're all still down here in my same tabs at the bottom, whether it's in-home, online, whatever. But the way that I do things a little differently for my in-home is on the spreadsheet itself, I have additional if then statements because usually when you do online, everybody pays by credit card. So I just, like I said, I just do the equals, the credit card paid equals my total. But when you do in home, people are going to pay all different ways. So what I did was just like I used for my hostess incentives, how I have an if then statement and I have how if it says hostess in this column here, which I don't have any because this is just a chunk taken from one of my parties. It's not the whole spreadsheet. But if I had hostess incentive here, it would go into the spreadsheet here. And that's what the if then statement goes if it's an H. Whatever the total from here, remember I put the amount I paid, not the amount the person paid. It makes it a negative and it'll be subtracted from this total here. My credit card, like I said, I always do equals because that's what it usually is for online. But when you're in home, I do an if then statement for my credit card, check, cash, and PayPal too. So I have here, if in my, if here, if the columns, the F column says CC for credit card, it gets totaled here. If it says check in the F column, it gets totaled here. If it's cash, it gets totaled here. And if it's PayPal, here. Now, if I spelled PayPal differently and made it PayPal because I spelled it wrong, this number down here is going to change because it's not correct. So you have to make sure that whatever you're using for your if then statement, so I use CC for credit card, check, cash, and PayPal. Whatever you're writing there has to be correct here. The same thing with if I were to write hostess incentive here, it has to be correct. Otherwise, it's going to be all screwy and it's not going to total it because it's not going to match what's up here. I also got rid of the negative because I'm obviously making money. I'm not getting charged anything. So I took away the negative where I was in the hostess. Oh, geez, hold on. Whereas in the, oh my gosh, I keep doing that. In the hostess one, I have it as a negative. Sorry, guys. I have a negative here. And then for all these, it's positive. Remember, I make my negatives red because I'm crazy. But that's it. So that's how I do my in-home parties. And it is a little different. I'll upload this file too. I'll edit it, and I don't know if I can delete the other one, but maybe I'll just upload this to the comment or to the comment section. I'll see what I can do. All right, thanks a lot. Bye.